everybody, this is a shortened version of the full video just to get right to the point. If you want to see the full version, I have a clickable link for you at the end of this video. There we go. Drums off. Look at that stuff that just came out. That is unbelievable. Look at all that shrapnel right there. All that shrapnel right there used to look like this. A brand new needle bearing. That's your clutch drum needle bearing right there. Now, what could we have done to stop that from ever happening in the first place? It's general maintenance on a chainsaw. I'll show you a little trick here. Not all chainsaws do this. You're going to see right in the end of that crankshaft, right there, there's going to be a little divot right there, right in the center. If you take a little wire or something really thin and poke it in there, and it stops, it doesn't go in, well, that means that your chainsaw doesn't have this feature on it. But if you have something thin like that and you stick it in there and it goes all the way in like maybe an inch or so, the only reason that hole is going in that far is if you have this feature right here. I'm going to show you that right now. If you spin the crankshaft around right in the side of the crankshaft when the clutch and drum and bearing are all off of there, you spin that crankshaft around and you'll see, maybe you'll see a little hole in the side of the crankshaft right there. Guess what? That hole that goes in the end of the crankshaft comes right out to that side hole. Hey, you guys know what this is? This is a typical bar greasing grease gun. Again, right underneath this video in my description, I got a link for you to check one of these out too. They're super inexpensive, well worth having in your shop. This is the grease gun that you would normally use for the tip of your bar. You got not all chainsaws have this again, but some have this little grease hole right here in the tip of the bar. That's what that tool's for. You just pump that in there like that and it squirts grease into the bearing in that tip right there. It's the same tool that you use for preventive maintenance on this drum bearing like we just saw here. Watch this. You take that same grease gun, you put it in here and you squirt it in here. Look at this. Watch what happens. Boom. You see how the grease comes right out the side? That grease comes out that side hole right where your needle bearing is, so you can keep that thing greased and keep it from exploding, drying out, and seizing up on your engine like this one did. Man, I think I'm done for today. Labatt Blue. Till the next video, guys. Steve out. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, click on that little button right there. If you'd like to see the full version of this video, it's a lot more detailed, a lot more in-depth, click right there.